Do you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're not sure where to start? Alright, the first thing I want you to do is create a new account. Obviously, if you're watching this, you probably already have an account. If you don't want to use your main account, you can always create a brand account. To do this, I want you to click on your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Click Settings, Add or Manage Channels, Create New Channel. This will guide you step by step on how to create a new channel. Once you're done, there's a few things that I want to make sure you've got. First thing is a profile picture. This can be anything, but I recommend it be your face or a logo. Next is the channel art. Keep it simple. Your channel name, what your channel's about, and a background that relates to your content. Now, in the About section, I want you to introduce yourself, your channel, and tell people why they should subscribe to you. Also in this section is where YouTube lets you add links to your other social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. These links will also show on your channel art when people are viewing from a desktop view. The next thing is your channel trailer. This is going to be a video that you make and upload to YouTube. In this video, I want you to introduce yourself, your channel, and again explain to people why they should subscribe to your channel. For an example of this, let's check out mine now. What's up guys, my name's Rod Anglin, and on this channel I'm going to be teaching you everything that you need to know about social and digital media, whether it be creating content, marketing and promoting the content that you've already got, or just how to grow a following on social media. Everything that you're going to need to know will be right here in this channel, so don't hesitate, smash that subscribe button. Let's do this. Once you've done this, I want you to go back onto your channel, click on Customize Channel. Now you'll see a tab that says For New Visitors. This is where I want you to add your channel trailer. You'll also see a tab that says For Returning Subscribers. I recommend you post the same video here that you posted for the new visitors, as most of your subscribers probably haven't seen this video yet, and when they're clicking on your channel, it just tells them a little bit more about you, your channel, and what your content is all about. Once you've done this, I want you to click on that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, because I'll be having a lot more helpful videos just like this one coming up soon. Thanks for watching, and welcome to YouTube.